It's good coffee. But I gotta clean my mug out, my cup out. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. But I'm gonna do it slightly different. And this may help you folks out there just in case. Snow. I'm gonna put that in there. Squishing my hand a little here. The reason I'm showing this is not just because it's cool, pun intended, but it's because when you don't have liquid water or you gotta ration it, right? For example, remember, snow can do a lot more than you think. Like, look at that. You can see that the snow is actually changing color. So I'm able to clean this with just snow. Obviously, I'm gonna pick, the cleanest, freshest snow possible, right? Yeah, you can see it's like, look at that. It wasn't even that bad. And the thing is, like, in spite of my intro showing me sipping on it, the coffee mug was dry, right? So this was been sitting for a bit. Not too long, but for a bit. Let's clean this off a little here. It's not too bad. I guess I could do a little bit more. Kind of clean this off. I must be really Canadian. Not just because I got this mug, but this coffee mug or soup mug or whatever. But I'm actually using snow to clean this real quick. It's coming out clean. The reason I'm showing this is, like I said, if you don't have access to water or you're rationing water, yet it's like wintertime, and you got access to snow. Instead of melting the snow just to get water out of it to clean this or to rinse this, I'm just going to use the snow itself. Snow is kind of abrasive to a certain degree. Because if you think about something like a glacier, for example, a glacier can carve through the terrain, right? Because it's a solid. In that same way, so is snow. Just kind of clean this out. Look at that. And of course, at the end here, for example, I would use maybe a little bit of fresh water. For example, like that, and clean this out nicely, right? Maybe with a drop of soap, for example, dish soap, for example. But now, look at that, that wasn't even that bad. That didn't even take that long. And I didn't actually even need like a rag or anything like that, or one of those green scrubbing pads or anything like that. I'm not saying that stuff doesn't help or wouldn't work or whatever, but I didn't even use that either. Just in case stuff like that, like a rag or whatever, I can't even wash it or rinse it, for example. So now it's cleaner and it's ready for that next cup. And like always, everyone, as our world changes, we're gonna adapt to. Our skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone. Take care and enjoy your coffee.